An interoperable decentralized marketplace, IDM, refers to a platform where various users can exchange goods, services, or digital assets in a secure, transparent, and decentralized manner. In this guide, we will discuss how to create and use an IDM in 2024, step by step, for beginners. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before diving into the creation of an IDM, ensure you have a solid understanding of blockchain technology, smart contracts, cryptocurrencies, and decentralized applications, dApps. These concepts are essential for building and using an IDM effectively. Step 2. Choose a blockchain platform. Select a suitable blockchain platform for your IDM. Popular options include Ethereum, EOS, and Tron. Each platform has its advantages and disadvantages, so research and choose the one that best fits your requirements. Step 3. Design the marketplace architecture. Plan the architecture of your IDM, including its features, functionalities, and user interface. Consider factors such as user registration, secure login, product listing, search capabilities, transaction processing, and dispute resolution mechanisms. Step 4. Develop smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing programs that facilitate the terms of a contract between parties. Develop smart contracts for your IDM to handle transactions, escrow, and dispute resolution. Ensure these contracts are secure and free from vulnerabilities. Step 5. Develop the front end and back end. Design and develop the user interface front end for your IDM, ensuring it is intuitive, user-friendly, and accessible. Develop the back end of your IDM to manage user accounts, product listings, transactions, and smart contracts. Step 6. Integrate payment gateways and cryptocurrencies. Integrate payment gateways and cryptocurrencies to allow users to buy and sell goods or services on your IDM. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. Step 7. Test and deploy. Thoroughly test your IDM to identify and fix any bugs or issues before deploying it on the chosen blockchain platform. Once testing is complete and satisfactory results are obtained, deploy your IDM on the blockchain network. Make sure to follow the specific deployment guidelines provided by the chosen blockchain platform. Step 8. Promote and attract users. To ensure the success of your IDM, create awareness and attract users by implementing effective marketing strategies. Utilize social media, online forums, and other channels to reach potential users and showcase the benefits of using your platform. Step 9. Establish a strong community. Build a strong community around your IDM by engaging with users, addressing their concerns, and incorporating their feedback to improve the platform. This will help foster trust and loyalty among users, leading to increased adoption and growth. Step 10. Monitor and update. Regularly monitor your IDM's performance, user feedback, and market trends to identify areas for improvement. Continuously update and enhance your platform to maintain its relevance and competitiveness in the ever-evolving decentralized marketplace landscape. In conclusion, creating and using an interoperable decentralized marketplace in 2024 involves understanding the basics, choosing a suitable blockchain platform, designing the architecture, developing smart contracts, creating the front end and back end, integrating payment gateways and cryptocurrencies, testing and deploying, promoting and attracting users, establishing a strong community, and continuously monitoring and updating the platform.